Hello everyone, welcome here. Today we are going to learning an exciting concept. What is cybersecurity? So, what do you think about it, cybersecurity? So, it's all about protecting. It's a practice to protecting an access, which is an unauthorized access where we can restrict. It might be in terms of network, application access, and data, which is the most popular and powerful weapon with us, the data. So how we are going to protecting this data from unauthorized access, how we are making in a security mechanism that will refer us this cyber security. As you know that the concept and now the present industry where IT products are growing more and more. So, web applications, Windows applications, mobile applications are most popular nowadays. So, at the same time, these cyber crimes for attacking of unauthorized persons to breaching the data means like they are trying to getting the data, and bank accounts like where the transaction of money majorly we can discuss about it. So, the getting they are trying to pulling the money from the others bank accounts who doesn't know the person where the money is possibly there, means they are trying to getting, and a huge information where is a more price, more important and valuable information. Such informations unauthorized persons they are getting means it's a cyber attacks. So ensure that who wants to enter inside the cyber security course or field, it's like a challenging task. Where you want to handle such a challenges, if you are very much interested to handle such a challenges to how to protect your organization, how to protect your servers. Majorly here deals with the servers. That will deals you to enter. Like if you are taking like a challenging task, if you want to enter, means this is the cyber security field is a suit for you. All you need to majorly focus on cyber security concepts are network security, where protocols, where data is interchange and exchanging, where how you are going to be protecting your inputs and outputs and data filtering and encrypting, decrypting things, how you are applying. That will be great challenge firstly in cyber security. And the next one, application security. Wherever you are using like a web application or Windows application or mobile application, wherever you are accessing and like a public or private and interchanging the data, there these security aspects are more important. While developing the application, yes, developers should clearly specify this like unauthorized access to restrict. Most of the apps and payment gateways you may observe 2FA, like a two-way authentication system. One is the like a username and password. Another one is OTP, where you will receive in your mobile phone. To making two-way authentication system, one person is going to be securing more way, like a email ID and password. If user is entering, means like what happening? Attackers may dropping some script, automation scripts to your mobile or computer system where you are using. From there, what happening? Like this password they are collecting and they are trying to enter in. They won't receive an SMS. If you are enabled a two-way, like a OTP, one-time password, so they won't receive OTP, they won't attack it. So ensure that this is the best mechanism you have to apply. So developers should understand how to develop this type of mechanism in app. So cybersecurity people can understand how this will function, this mechanism will function. Then they will very clear to how to control such type of attacks. Ensure. And the next one, information security. What information protocols you are applying, what firewall rules you are applying, and how the data is going to be giving you an access, authorizations to the others. There is a mechanism, we can call it as in application development, application authentication and authorization. So you should understand what is authentication, what is authorization, who is the person is going to be entering into your app or servers. These are very important protocols. You should understand the concept first. Then anyhow you will be learn like how to frame the rules in protocols. In a firewall, it might be firewalls like a hardware firewall or like a software firewalls. There is a both. So one by one you have to gone through and ensure that how to frame the rules. Mostly this would be possible to creating the rules like logical operators. And also hardware or software firewalls, you can define the ports to enable or disable, IPs, all many. And the next one, endpoint securities. So where the data is going to be some other server or some other endpoint of the user, and ensuring whether it's in a secure data or not, you have to recheck. That is also possible in APIs where you are using. So endpoint security, ensure it. And cloud security. So that it will be involves how you are making a policies. Even like firewalls also having a policies. So how secure mechanism policies you are going to be applying in cloud environment and cloud security. So this is the point in cyber security you have to learn and add it. Nowadays you know that like AWS, Azure, many of the platforms are entering into the cloud environments from their bare metal. So wherever you are learning like a latest technologies and latest apps, latest policies, and what are the latest threats done by attackers, how you are going to like handling such type of attacks means you will get good opportunities. So what you want to learn, think about it. So always try to learn like a new things and new technologies to grow your career into the next level. And next one, identity access management. Many of the apps are going to be implementing this identity access management. So the person who is, first you should understand, identify the person, authorize, then you clearly easily give an access on the next intervals. How this mechanism will works. And next one, incident response. So whenever you may feel it, it's an authorized access, means how you are going to be responding. Is there any mechanism with you to immediately like shutting down all the ports, network ports, or stopping unauthorized access immediately? Do you have any mechanism? So how you are going to be making like incident response you are preparing? At the same time, for that you have to plan it. Disaster recovery. In cyber security, this is a very, very important. All are important, not only. Disaster means might be your server or your cloud environment or your environment attacked by the hackers. You may think it. This is a scenario I am telling. So what you will do? Immediately will you be shut down all the services? So what is your plan? How you are going to be making a giving a quick response, like a quickly you are making a service enabled by your servers or cloud. How you are going to plan it? These all are you have to plan it in cybersecurity. So I hope what cybersecurity we have learned very clearly. Who are interested to entering into the cybersecurity, yes, definitely at the present there is a lot of huge opportunities are there greatly. So strongly ensure that majorly you have to understand about the operating system, network protocols, and what the security precautions you are going to be taking challenges. This way, plan it, learn it, grab a great opportunity. Thank you.